Ang sarap dito. Currently here at Family Mart, try natin yung mga famous food nila dito, yung mga nagtitrending sa TikTok. We have here the famous egg sandwich. Let's get one. Ito, gustong-gusto ko talaga to i-try, yung matcha latte nila. So let's get one and then some ice. Yeah. Let's get the ice. And then, of course, yung famous na Fami Chiki. Tinikman na nila, pero let's try the ice matcha latte. Wala yung coolish, guys. Walang stock dito. So, try ko na lang ulit sa ibang Family Mart. If mabetan ko tong matcha nila. How do you open this?
No.
Ooh, so green. Buti pala, yung medium yung kinuha ko. Yung ano na do, yung small pala, hindi siya pwede dito. Wala lang yung ice cream, guys. Yung coolish kasi walang stock dito. So, try na lang natin siya sa ibang 7-Eleven. And then, the famous egg sandwich and Fami Chiki. Try na natin kapag isa lang. Look at that egg. Fami Chiki. Pasok yung chicken. Then this one. Okay, taste test. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, guys. This is good. Ice matcha latte. Ang sarap dito. Ang sarap. Gusto ko siya. Mami, try. Guys, it's good. Totoo ang chismis. Try nyo. I feel like better to kung meron yung coolish na ice cream on top.
Perfect.
Perfect.